Last summer I ordered this bench, and even when I ordered it, I knew it wasn't the exact color that I wanted. So I wasn't too upset when it didn't weather really well. I'm not really fond of the orange and black aesthetic that's going on, so I'm on it and I'm going to refinish this bench. This bench wasn't difficult to assemble, so I'm hoping it's just as easy to take apart. As I hoped, it came apart pretty easily. But the orange aesthetic carried on to the hardware. That's just 1 year and so much rust. I'll be addressing that for sure. The slats still have some top coat on them, and you have to admit, they are kind of ugly. Time to sand with my new friend, the foam pad. I did a video on this a little while ago, check it out. Ah, it's already looking better. So I'm done sanding all the bottom slats, and now I can move on to the top. And the only reason I'm doing this in stages is just to make it tidier and easier for me, just a little more organized. So I'm gonna go find Ralph and we're gonna take off those top slats. Now that the sanding's all done, I can move on to the fun part, adding some color back. And I'm going to stain with, well, I just find that when you mix stains together, the color's just so much better. So I'm mixing flagstone with classic gray. And I do about like a 3-to-1 ratio. So that's pretty much it. And it's gonna look so good. All right, let's start mixing and staining. I'm done sanding. Yes, I'm using a NASA sock to apply the stain. Out of this world. The stain is all dry, so I can move on to protecting the wood with my favorite outdoor sealer. But before I do that, I do want to quickly just run over all the pieces of wood with 220 grit sandpaper to remove any of the raised grain for a really nice smooth finish. While the top coat is drying on all the slats, I'm going to remove the rust off the frame and the screws with some CLR. Slats are dry, they look great, these are ready to go. The nuts and bolts cleaned up so well with the CLR. I didn't have to do much scrubbing, just like a little bit with a brush, but it turned out so great. The frame's ready. I'm ready, so we can put this together now. Yeah. Check out this before. And now the after. Not only is the color toned down and way more my style, but also the bench is so much more protected because I put so many layers of top coat. And it's way smoother. It just feels and looks nicer. Well, that's another summer project done. I have the perfect spot waiting for it outside. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I'll see you soon with another project. Bye. It's not done yet, but we are working on the cutest spot for this bench. Oh, So that should be an upcoming video too. And yeah, I was just thinking about coffee actually, because I haven't had it. Maybe, you know, honestly, Ralph's gonna put this together just because I don't like putting things together, like this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna make him do it, and maybe I'll make coffee while he's putting this together. Won't that be great? But anyways, yeah. I'm going for a facial today too. The local college has like spa days for like the students. So you go and the students get to practice on you. And practice on this face any day of the week. But anyways, okay, yeah, enough chatting. I'm gonna go maybe make coffee. Okay,